Welcome to Crypto Space Junk. This is a new live stream that I've started to do, more of a personal blog. I'll be looking into the crypto market, doing some technical analysis. Today, we'll take a look at Sundaeswap, which is a big thing happening tomorrow, which could push the price of Cardano higher. Well, the Sundae Swap website that starts tomorrow, Thursday, where it's been delayed and delayed, which is reflected in the price of Cardano. So we'll take a look at it. So if you go to Sundaeswap.finance and you enter the app, you can see it'll ask you to connect the wallet. Now, I did a test with the wallet yesterday, and I had to use the Nami wallet. Like here, you'll connect your wallet up. And I set up the Nami wallet and just sent $100 in there just to test it. I wouldn't recommend putting a lot of money in there at first, but $100 I just sent from Coinbase over to Nami with ease. What I did notice, when you came to use the QR scanner, it never worked. So I was trying to transfer the $100 from my phone to the wallet using a QR scanner. It wouldn't work. So if I open the wallet now, I can show you on the receive. I tried to scan that in the Coinbase. It wouldn't work. So what I then did was just copy the address there, sent it to my email, and just pasted it into the phone. Now at the moment, if you did set up the wallet and you had it into testnet, it won't show the balance. As you can see here, so I'm just having an issue with the live stream here, but I'll have to test it. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain the smooth streaming. Such viewers are experience buffering. Okay. Now I don't know what the situation is. That must be an issue with the upload speed there. But I have many followers anyway, so or subscribers, so it's not an issue at the moment. It's something I'll have to look into. Getting a better, maybe get a cable in the back of the desktop there. Okay, so going back to the wallet. Yeah, if the wallet's in testnet, I mean, you won't have this issue if you're watching this video afterwards, because from tomorrow, the testnet will be over. So to do this, you'll click this icon if it's the first time with this wallet, like it was for me yesterday. You'll click it, you'll go to settings. Now, if you go to network and you put it into testnet, when you go back to your balance, it won't show at all. Where from Thursday, at some point tomorrow, when you connect the wallet, it should show the balance still. Like now, if I was to do it during the testnet here, I'll click it back to mainnet, and I'll try and connect the wallet, and it will tell me that I'm in the wrong mode. It says there, it gives you the warning, it should be in testnet. Yeah, Sundaeswap adjusted the wallet's connection to the testnet. So you pretty much can't do anything at the moment. So this all goes live tomorrow, active tomorrow. So until then, just looking at the issue I'm having with the live stream here. We'll see. Anyway, I'll test it and adjust it as I go on. I'm going to try and make these quite regular to improve my trading, well, investment at the moment. I'm not day trading as it is. I'm more sitting in the investment category, really, because I have other things that I have to do. I just can't be sat here. Right. So what I think Cardano is going to have a big move. So if we have a look, we've been in consolidation. Get it out of there. Get monthly there. We're in a long period of consolidation, as you can see here. And we're still hitting the 20 EMA in the Bollinger Band, which is also the 618 retracements as well. Let me have a look on the monthly here. Yeah, so we're sitting around that golden zone of 618. I won't go into how to do the Fibonacci if you want to do that. I know that Trading Wars, he's got a lot of good videos on fibs and a book about fibs. So we've had this consolidation period. We see as the buyers have started to come back there around the 618. Now the Sundae swap has been delayed. I was expecting probably December, then we're into January now. So as you've probably seen on other channels, everyone's talking about this Cardano move. So if I go over to CoinGecko, I'm just going to go over to CoinGecko, the main page. And I just want to go into categories now. Now, the main issue with Cardano has been the fact that it hasn't had a decentralized exchange. Now, if we look at Polygon, as you can see, there's lots of projects on the top of Polygon. And it's just endless. It just keeps going and going and going. And you got 6 pages here. Category. Now I'll have a look at the Polygon we've just been in. The Phantom ecosystem, which is doing really well at the moment. And you can see how the prices are affected with the amount of projects that are being released. It's just endless, and everything's going well, and it's reflected in the price of the token. Luna, Phantom had a really good December. So I'll have a look now. If I go to the Cardano ecosystem, it's the same with the Solana ecosystem. We had a good run around November. Here, why has it brought that up? I had to click that. I wanted the Cardano ecosystem. All right, here we are. So if you have a look here, we've hardly got any projects that have started. So the room to grow on Cardano is absolutely huge, especially if they're using DeFi, where tokens are going to get locked up. You're going to get the ADA token; it'd be locked up. And also with the projects now, with the DEXs being released and people can stake coins and stuff, the price is going to inflate. Now, there's a lot of videos around how Sundae Swap works. I won't go through them with you. There's already content out there. I'll just go into what I want to be doing. Really, is more the technicals here. So looking at a month chart, you can see we've hit the 20 EMA. And with the Fibonacci, we're sitting in the 618. So I'm going to have a look, and I have a couple of other indicators here I like to use. Nothing showed me a lot there with the indicators. On the monthly, I'll go down to the 2 weeks. As you can see, we're still bouncing on this 618. We keep coming tests. We haven't broke through the 618 yet. On the weekly, we can see we've got an outside bar. We broke out into the following week, made a high week. Now, this is a price indecision here. And it's sort of squeezed and pushed through. I'm not going to go too far into the outside bar here. But as you can see, its prices broke up, shut up. And now we're starting to come back. So you'll see this on the daily now. We'll see how this has gone. So basically, it's just a retracement of the price. We shoot up from the outside bar, as you can see here. This is inside. Move that. As you can see, it's hit, the price has gone up. It's broke out the last week's range and it's starting to come back in. And it's bounced off the 618. You can see where the buyers have come in here. Now, the RSI here showing it's overbought. I think we're going to come down, touch that 20 EMA again, and then continue. But with what's happening tomorrow with Cardano, I believe it's going to be a good day. So maybe we're not going to come down as far as the 618. Maybe the price will settle here at 50. If I go to the 8 hours, we're showing we're at the bottom here. Now, if we look here, we're getting what's known as the Holy Grail pattern formation. If this closes, we can expect volatility to the upside or the downside. And with the news coming out tomorrow, it's sitting on the 20 EMA. I believe it's going to be positive news. And we're going to break out of this range and head off. As you can see, we're bottomed out here. And we're going to start looking at the extensions for the target. Now, let's go here with 4 hours. Again, we can see the inside bar. Not really any volume. Low volume here because there's indecision. Actually, I wonder if that's just delayed. Let me refresh it because it doesn't feel a bit weird. You can't open this layout. Okay, that's because I was probably logged out. Give me a moment. It's never done this to me, but I don't know what's going on there. Go back to the dark theme here. So we're backing with the Cardano. So we're sitting at the bottom of this Bollinger Band area. Bottom out on the RSI, that's a weekly chart. This is a 4-hour chart. As we can see, bullish divergence coming in here. And I think within the next 4 to 8 hours, we start seeing an increase in price. We go to a 1 hour here again. I'm expecting probably a breakout coming soon. We will retest. So I expect the price to break through, come back down, retest again. When we get this later, you'd buy the pullback here. But I'd start laddering in now. I have done myself. the daily here. Let's have a look at where we were here before. So using this tram line, we're in this range here, then the price breaks out, it's coming back. The last few days, the last 2 days, we are pulling back. So I expect us to come to 618. I think we've hit the price, hit 50 here. 50% retracement. I can't see us coming much lower than that. So you start laddering in now, probably be a good option. I think the lowest will probably come as a 618. Price is still looking like it's going to come down. It's a bit overbought on the daily at the moment. But by tomorrow, when the release of this DEX, I'm sure the price will start going in the other direction. As long as nothing drastic happens with Bitcoin, I'm sure that will be the case. Let's look at convergence here. It's the continuous. I'll go to the monthly on this because it's just not doing anything. We might as well remove them targets. It's just not going to happen now. At the point where I think we're going to hit the complete bottom there. Go to the weekly. Continuation of just going down. But we had a little bit of hope and there was a bottom last week, but no, it's just pushed through it. Look kind of healthier on the daily chart. I did have a sell order, but it completely missed it. I was expecting, and I wanted to sell up here. I think it was the and buy the 76 or the 886 retracement, but it's just broke through it. Missed it anyway. My order wasn't sold, so not a great drama. It's just one I'm going to probably hold on for a while, but nothing positive really to say about this project at the minute. Definitely not in the reflection of the price. You go to their Twitter page, they don't respond to people's queries. They seem to have a system of where you stake, and it's sort of a lottery-based system where only 5 people win. With the amount of people in crypto now, it just doesn't seem right to me. They need to look at things, get people involved. It seems to be a bit pointless when there's so many other projects offering so much. So not one to worry about. I think I'll just keep what I've got in there. It's running at a loss, but I'll move on and live another day. Okay, cake as well. We've had a continued consolidation. Don't really see anything happening here. Just going to move some of these indicators. Okay, clean the chart up. You just dollar cost average into it. It seems to be sitting around $10 for a while now. Look how long. Around 47 days. I mean, we could have a probably a surge in price. Maybe I'd expect to break this tram line. I wouldn't even bother getting involved with it until it's done that. Unless you long term, you want to buy in. It's a great price probably to buy in now. Phantom. It's had a brilliant run. I'll probably look on the fib here. We bounced off the 618. We made a higher high. Okay, so you see the buyers are coming in now on the 50 retracement. Possibly breakout. We'll look at the target at the 50, so we're hitting the $4. Yeah. Let's get my other stuff up there. So we're sitting at the 50% retracement on the 20 EMA, the daily chart. Various divergence at the moment, but the price is still holding on Phantom. I think we'll eventually break out and hit price discovery mode again. I think we'll probably hit as far as 50, 618 extension. And then look for another pullback. So I'm just not doing anything with my Phantom at the moment. Rune, doing a bit like a pancake swap. Still a great price to get involved. Very long period now. Again, around 40 days, 47 days. GRT. Keeps going lower and lower. The price keeps consolidating. Thought here where we had a couple of inside bars and an outside bar, I thought we were going to break out, but nothing at the moment. Still not ready to go yet. Get down to the 8 hours on Luna. See the buyers coming in around the 50 retracement. See the yellow, that's an inside buy, indecision going on there. The volume starts to increase. 8 hours, RSI is looking good. I think I'll be looking at a target of 382 extension for another retest of this area here. That's if we break out. Dot just feels like it hasn't done anything for a very, very long time. I sold a lot of my dot to buy NFTs, which I hope to sell to get some more dot back, but not a lot happening here. The range is tightening. Solana. I want to say with Solana, I'm definitely looking more at the weekly chart than a daily chart. Showing we've been at the bottom for a while, and it's holding on the 50 retracement. I think we'll probably go down to the 618 around 110. Look quite good. Look at the day here. Yeah, I can see us going down to this 618. The Bitcoin around 618. Showing oversold on the weekly, monthly too, 2 weekly. Daily doesn't look amazing. Weekly looking good. I never like to even get involved with Bitcoin because I'm always wrong. But still, around the 618, maybe we'll touch the. It's hard to say. Probably 40,000. I think we might just keep hitting that for a while and going sideways. Some of the Reddit coins, I just look at their charts and they look very depressing. Let's have a look here. Ethereum Classic. I was holding quite a lot of this. Holding nothing now, actually, to be honest. As far as this one goes. 886. Definitely value for money. That. I don't think I'm going to be getting any though. What was annoying was I sold here. $49 and then we shot up. It's high as 180. As you can see, just complete sell off. So no one joined the live stream. But if you like the video, I'm going to keep coming live, just practice for myself anyway. And if there's anything, any charts you want me to look at or any cryptos you want me to look at, just let me know. So I'll wrap up this. Again, Sundae Swap. I'm looking forward to that tomorrow. We'll see where we'll go. And I'll probably do a live stream on Friday. And if you want, like I said before, subscribe. If you want me to go through anything, have a look at anything, please let me know. Goodbye.